Bore da, dwi'n dod yn ôl y dafarn ar y byd i wylio'r gêm o'r olaf yn y weiglau. Bore da! Hey Joe! Hey everyone! Bore da! Bore da!
Hey! Hello!
You alright, Mike? Yeah. All the people here. Yeah. Pobl wedi cyrraedd i'r wylio y gêm.
Come on, boy!
Dyma stadium. Mae Cymru yn Yr Eidal. Yeah, you better sit there. Mae Yr Eidal wedi ennill yn arben yr Alban, yr arben Lloegr. Mae Cymru wedi ennill yn arben neb! Ond gobeithio bydd ni'n ennill heddiw. Rhan am genedlaethol Cymru.
This is our national stadium in Laughlin.
Mint, innit? Lightning Reese!
Mike?
Oggy, oggy, oggy! Oggy, oggy, oggy! Oggy, oggy, oggy! Oi! Oi! Oi!
Another classic.
What's that turning around there?
Look at that expression.
That is red bodies to floor from what I can see there. See we bring it?
Agree.
Looks okay so far, so we can move on to the grounding. We do have an advantage for offside there.
It's got to be over the line.
Fucking try.
It's a try.
This is supposed to be ball from the grounding.
Yes! Yes, right there! Woo! It's got to be try. Yes! Woo! Wel, bydd ni'n ennill yr hanner y cyntaf, 21 paint am dim. Roedd e'n gyffroes iawn yn Cymru yn chwarae arben. Felly, gweithio.
Are you fluent Teorio?
Beth?
Are you fluent Teorio?
Dim yn rhugol, ond bydd y Cymraeg fi yw gweddol.
Here's Wainwright. Yet again, it's Brex making the tackle. The Italian centre is making 14 tackles.
God, right!
Oh, here we go. This is a start we want.
Yeah,
Fuck yeah. Yeah, go. That's it. Oh, advantage, yes. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo!
He's still not smiling, the fucker. Fucking relief.
Yeah, it's relief.
We shall see.
They played very fucking well.
Six Nations games.
Incredible. I think
the last two games we played really well.
Don't say character, for
Quite
fuck's
got across
sake.
the line, I think the way we started today and the way we hung in there towards the end, I think just shows the character of this group.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Dyma y dafarn draig Cymraeg, y dafarn orau ar byd, yn dod yma bob pencampriaeth y chwe glad i wylio ei gemau gyda'r camero arall. Fy hoff beth yn dod yma i wylio ei gemau. Heddw, wel, teimlo dipyn bach emotional oherwydd ni'n wedi ennill y game 4 years. Wel, beth ein weld chi y tro nesaf. Hwyl fawr.